Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog, another video. So before we get started with today's vlog, I did get a new unit from HAIRVIVI. They're one of my favorite brands to work with and I love their unit so much. Actually, every single unit in this video is from HAIRVIVI, but this is my newest one that I am really in love with. So this unit that I have is their new curtain bangs unit. It's 20 inches. I got the Cappuccino cap, and what I like is that it has that fake scalp method, so you really don't need to do anything besides pretty much put it on and cut the lace off and you're ready to go. And I really love that about their wigs because it's really friendly for those who just don't want to deal with like gluing anything down. And I love how natural the hairline looks. It's pre-plucked and bleached. Everything is done for you, so you really don't have to do anything. So we're going to start off. I'm going to flatten out this hair a little bit, so because it's been in the packaging, some of the curls have dropped and they're just not looking, you know, how they want to look. So we're gonna get it together, but first I'm gonna cut the lace. I really try to take my time cutting the ear tabs just because I feel like once you cut the ear tabs and it just sits perfectly on your head, it's not really going anywhere. And today we're doing a glueless install. I'm actually not going to use any product at all. I'm just going to cut the lace around the perimeter in a kind of like a zigzag motion just to make it not have that uniform look. And we're pretty much going to style and go. What I like about their wigs is you really don't have to do much, especially when you have a unit like this where you kind of have those bangs to cover up those sides and you really don't have to do anything. So I'm just taking my hot comb and I'm going to flatten out the middle part. I decided to do a middle part. You guys know I'm not always a middle part girly, but I might have been converted a little bit. I might have, especially with this unit because it just looks so good. I love how it's already cut for you, so you really don't have to do much. So I wasn't sure if I wanted to curl the unit or not, so I'm deciding I'm going to curl one half and then the other half I'm going to leave it kind of more like natural just to see what look I'm going for today. I really love the texture of this hair as well. It just feels very natural. It's human hair and it has a really like natural sheen to it. So I decided to, and I ended up going with curling both sides, but you guys can see one side is curled and the other is like a little bit more just kind of like body wave. And so just playing around with it, putting it up as well because I'm not wanting to put my hair up, but with this unit you could definitely put it up. So I'm just kind of sharing with you guys. So this is pretty much the final look. I got my makeup done and everything, and it just is so beautiful, super cute. It kind of reminds me a little bit of like of 90s vibe, especially since you guys will see I have some new glasses and I decided to put them on just to see what it would look like with this unit. And I just really love this look. It's giving me a whole new vibe and I'm feeling it. So be sure to check my description bar for a link and a code to get $30 off your unit. Thank you HAIRVIVI for sponsoring today's video. Really good, hope you guys enjoyed. As I said, every unit that I have is from HAIRVIVI, so be sure to check the description bar. But I'm just feeling the hair, giving you guys what it looks like in natural lighting and just this hairline. Can we get into how natural it looks? It looks good, but it's still pretty salty. So what I'm gonna do is when I use it, I'm just not gonna use as much as I typically would, and I would just have to add more fresh garlic, parsley, and everything else. But so this is the beef that we got going on. So I got 3 different types of three different cuts of beef. I have beef shank right here. I have beef bones. I really like how the beef bones gives it that extra flavor. And then we have our beef cuts. So we're gonna use all of that. I'm gonna, I like to do is take a little vinegar and just kind of clean it in a little vinegar first. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll season it, put it in the fridge, and I'll cut up all my veggies, and then we'll get going with the soup. Happy Sunday. So I am dressed and ready to go to church. I wanted to share my outfit of the day today because it's actually cold. It's 8 or 32 degrees outside in Houston, and I realized I definitely need to get some winter clothes because I didn't expect it to get this cold in Houston. And also I just need to go shopping because I gained some weight and my clothes are a little snug. But I found this sweater dress that I had in my closet from like 3-4 years ago from Shein. And then I paired it with this belt from H&M along with my new Coach bag. You guys may or may have not seen the video yet where I shared my 2023 Coach collection. I'll link that for you guys. And then these boots are old. I can't even remember where they're from. They might be Lulu's maybe? Not sure. They're super old. And then my trusty H&M coat that I got years ago. So that's it. I did my makeup pretty simple because I was rushing this morning. I got up late. So I'm just gonna make my coffee. I'm gonna get a yogurt and some water, and I'm on my way out. I'll see you guys later. I decided to change my outfit for brunch. I'm headed to brunch with a friend. I have this set. It's super old from H&M. I've had it for like 3 years now. So I decided this is what I'm going to put on to go to brunch. Super comfortable. It's long. And then I have my same boots on. I'm going to wear the same bag and the same jacket. But I wanted something a little different because I like the other outfit. I just wasn't feeling it 100%. So I like this one better. So this is the fit for brunch. Hey beauties, I'm back home. I ended up going to brunch with a friend. I've been attending online church, but this year I decided I wanted to find a church and become a member here in Houston. So I'm kind of on the hunt for finding a church that I like. It was actually really good, but what happened was I didn't realize that church was so packed. I actually arrived a little bit early, but trying to find parking was so crazy. I ended up driving around for like 13 minutes looking for parking. So now I know next time I go to this church, I have to come like 45 minutes early to look for parking. But it was really good. I'm gonna go again next week. But we went, then we had brunch at a boozy, and then we went to River Oaks District because I really wanted to take a pic of my outfit. And I was like doing some window shopping. I found this pretty mint green dress from Zimmerman. It's like a light green because I like more neutrals and kind of pastels. It's so pretty. I have to get that dress, so I'm putting it on my wish list, and I think that might be my color for the summer. It just looks really pretty for spring and summer. But as we were kind of just like browsing around, I did get one item from Zimmerman. They're a pair of sunglasses, so let's unbox these together. So pretty. Look at the packaging with Zimmerman right here and then Zimmerman here. Item, these are these beautiful cat eye sunglasses, so pretty. This is what the box looks like, and when you open it, oh, brand new pair of sunglasses. This right here is the case that it comes in. It's so cute. Yeah, so you have this case that you could put it in, but what's cool is that this actually could be used for like a cell phone holder, so you can have this hold your phone if you want to, if you're traveling. Super cute. I think it's kind of different. It's unique. I really like these because they're super low key, and I like the fact that the sunglasses itself is like flat right here. This is what it looks like on, and I like a good cat eye. I feel like sometimes I struggle finding good cat eyes because they're too big. I have kind of like small. So yeah, these are the sunnies.